He's accused of verbally accosting mothers, bringing their children to the Temple Beth El Preschool, and threatening the security guards with racial slurs.
But after a number of mental health exams, we now know Hassan Chokr will not be heading to trial on ethnic intimidation charges. Rod Maloney in the newsroom with what happens now. Rod.
Well, Devin, Chokr is on his way to a mental health treatment facility for up to 4 months now. This after a federal judge in this paperwork here found him incompetent to stand trial. You'll remember he has enraged outbursts and erratic behavior before a couple of Metro Detroit judges after his arrest.
Excuse me, ma'am. Do you support the state of Israel?
Chokr shot this video of himself driving his van around and posted it on social media, saying "Shame on you" to Temple Beth El parents and children. After his arrest for ethnic intimidation, he appeared before Oakland County Judge Julie Nelson Klein.
Thank you. Let the record reflect that you just gave the court the finger.
Yes, I did.
She gave him $1 million cash bond. Days later, Wayne County Judge Regina Thomas held an arraignment.
And now he has removed his pants to show the court his backside.
She revoked his bond. Thereafter, Chokr went to a federal court to face felon in possession of a firearm and filing a false statement while trying to buy a firearm, and a judge ordered a psychiatric exam. The report came back saying Chokr is, quote, not fit for the continuation of legal proceedings. He appears to have schizoaffective disorder, bipolar type, antisocial personality disorder, and unspecified other or unknown substance-related disorder. And Chokr should be sent to a structured program with a specific competency restoration program. Temple Beth El Rabbi Mark Miller spoke with Local 4 about this decision this afternoon.
For me and for my community, I think our larger concern is that someone like this can't come and threaten us again. So I want him to get the help he needs, but even more than that, I want him to not be in a position to threaten us, especially given the state of the world right now, where threats are turning into action across the country.
Now, this would be the third time Chokr has not made it past the competency exam, and it is no surprise because Hassan's own brother Hussein said that he has struggled with mental health issues after losing his business a few years ago. The court papers say that he thought his own attorney conspired against him and answered direct questions with rants about the war in the Middle East. So he clearly has things that they need to deal with, and so they're sending him off to treatment to see if they can do something about it.
So 4 months in rehabilitation, and then what, or do we know?
Well, we do. The paperwork here says that they can hold him for another 4 months, and then it becomes a question of then what, and it still doesn't say necessarily, but clearly in order for him to face trial, there's much that needs to be done, and he needs to make improvements in order to get before a judge. The belief is, the hope here, and they say it in the paperwork, that they want that to happen.
Yeah. All right, Rod.